If you want to enable voice to text on OnePlus 15, then in that case we can go to, for example, Google Messages, and we're gonna open the conversation and tap on text message to open the keyboard. Over here on the right side you should be able to find this microphone, so you can tap on it and grant the permission in order to then start speaking to the microphone. And as you can see, whatever it is being said out loud, it is converted into a text. If you tap on the microphone again, then the microphone should be disabled. Now, in case you cannot find this microphone, if it's not here, you can also tap on these 4 squares that we have on the left side, and then on this gear icon in order to jump to keyboard settings. And in these settings, go to voice typing and make sure that it is enabled, and you can also toggle faster voice typing as well to improve the accuracy of the voice recognition. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.